Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a WordPress website using a Elementor free builder. So if you are going to build a WordPress website, you have to have the following things. First, you have to have a hosting. Second one, you have to have the domain, that is your website name and the SSL certificate. Third one is the content management like WordPress. And fourth one, you have to have a theme because Elementor is just a builder, it's not a theme. So you have to have a basic theme to build your website. And the fifth one is the website builder. So website builder, there are so many builders available: Elementor, WP Bakery, DB. So for this tutorial we are going to use the Elementor. So please follow the playlist of this Elementor free basic tutorial, so you will get the more in-depth detail regarding the Elementor builder. So before start to build your website, you have to purchase the hosting and the domain name. So let's go to purchase our hosting and domain name. We'll see how to purchase hosting with the Black Friday offer, also with additional 20% coupon code. And let's see how to obtain the free domain, free SSL and installation of WordPress very easily. Let's see that. Here you can see the rating of the hosting in Trustpilot, Google and other rating platforms. There are two perfect plans available. One is premium, other one is business. Depending on your need, you can select the package. If you are a beginner, better to select the premium package. That is $1.95 per month. This is for the Black Friday deal. You can see you can install up to 100 websites. You can manage WordPress easily with 100 GB SSD and free email, free domain also available, and free SSL. It will automatically install the free SSL. So it's very easy for the beginners. And other features include free one-click WordPress installation. It's very easy to install WordPress. If you are a beginner, it's a very perfect match for you. Okay, let's choose this the premium plan. Here you can see the 48 months. You will have the 1.95 per month. That is the subtotal of $93.6. So you have to purchase 48 months, that is 4 years. So if you purchase 4 years only, you will get this offer. So if you want, you can get 1 month, 12 months, 24 months also you can get. But if you purchase 12 months, it will charge around 2.48 per month. So better to purchase 48 months, that is 4 years. It will be very good offer for you. So it is 93.6. So let's see how to get 20% offer for this. To get additional 20% off, you have to click our referral link that is in the description. After clicking our referral link, you can choose the plan. Wow, now you can see 20% off coupon is applied. So now you can get 74.88. Earlier it was 93.6 per dollars. Now it have changed to 74.88. So please click our referral link to get this 20% off. Then click continue. Now you have to create an account. You can create account easily by clicking your Google email link. So when you click that G, you can sign up. Once you sign up, you will get following form. So here you have to give your details to get the hosting in your name. So you can fill up this form and continue. Okay, now it will go to the payment page. Here you can pay with several methods. You can pay with card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay. If you are in India, you will get some other option also. So you can select preferred method of payment and you can pay. Once you submit and confirm the payment, following page will appear. Hello, who is this website is for? So you can select myself or my business. Click next. So in these questions, you can give any answer. So let's give create new website. Click next. And here it will ask, do you want to install WordPress or hosting a website builder? So we prefer this WordPress and click next. Here you have to give your WordPress username and password. Username is email address and password. So this is my default email is appearing there. You can create a password as well. Create a strong password as mentioned here, and you have to keep the username and password separately. So this will needed for your WordPress access. Then click next. Here, what type of website do you want to build? So you can give anything here, or else you can click create blank site. Whatever choice you can give. So I am giving create a blank site. Now it will ask you to obtain your free domain name. So here you can give your preferred free domain name. So I am giving my domain name here. Here it will show the domain extension. You can select whatever extension here. .in, .io, .me, .com. There are several options available. Most of them are free. Some are paid versions. So you can select your preferred one. So I am selecting .com. Now click next. Okay. Now it will ask you to register your domain name. The primary information is a personal or the company or organization. So I am giving this as a personal. Then click next step. Here it will ask you to fill up the details. So if you given the detail for hosting, it will automatically appear here. If you want to change anything, you can change here. Then click finish registration. It will take few minutes to register your domain. So once finished, following screen will appear. Where's your target audience located? This is important for the content delivery network, that is CDN. So you have to select the nearest one. So I am from Sri Lanka, so I am selecting the nearest one as India. Okay, now click next. Once you click next, it will automatically start the installation of WordPress, because we have already selected the content management system as WordPress. If you are not selected, you can again select when you go to the dashboard as well. So it will automatically install the WordPress. You have to wait few minutes. Wow, you can see the WordPress is installed. Now you can connect with the H panel. So before that, you have to verify your domain name. Go to the registered email and confirm the email for the domain name. Okay, now come back and click connect with H panel. So in the website area, you can see your website name is appearing. So if you have multiple websites, all the websites will be appear here. So if you want, you can click the dashboard and you can go do the settings, or else you can click this WordPress admin and open the WordPress dashboard. Okay, now it will open the WordPress dashboard. Once you click dashboard, the proper WordPress dashboard appear here. So if you want, you can remove these unnecessary items by click here and untick all the options. If you want to install the themes, click appearance and click themes, and here you can add any theme. Okay, up to now we have purchased the hosting with the domain and SSL. Then we have installed the WordPress content management system. So before installing Elementor, we have to install a theme, because Elementor is a builder. It needs a basic theme to be built. Okay, to install the theme, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to appearance, click themes. Here click add new theme, and here you can search a theme. So by default, the most frequently using popular themes will appear. You can see the Hello Elementor is here, an Astra theme is here, an Ocean WP, and the Royal Elementor kit. So to use this Elementor builder, basic theme is needed. So I can recommend 5 themes. One, you can use this Hello Elementor, or else you can use this Astra. Okay, you can use this Ocean WP or Cadence, or else you can use the Royal Elementor kit. So with these themes having some sample demo website, so you can use them also as well. So regarding this Astra, I have created another tutorial how to install the Astra and how to use the starter templates. You can watch that video. For this demonstration, I am going to use this Hello Elementor theme. So let's click install. Then let's click activate. Okay, now the basic theme is installed. So let's see our website. We'll open the website in a new tab and see. So this is how the basic website will appear, just a name. And this hello world, this is the first post. So go back. So to create a website using this basic theme, you have to install the Elementor free page builder. For that, you have to go to the plugins, click add new plugin. Here search for Elementor. Okay, this is the Elementor website builder. So you have to install this. So click install now, then click activate. Okay, when you activate, it will ask you to create an account. Elementor free, no need to create an account. Close this one. Okay, now you can see. Okay, let's create our first page using Elementor builder. So again, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to pages, click all pages. Here you can see these two are the default pages already available with the theme. So let's create a new page. So click add new page. So once you click add, it will show following page. Here you can give a title. So let's give title as home and click edit with Elementor. So once you click this edit with Elementor, you can see the Elementor builder is loading. Following pop-up will appear. So let's skip this one. So this is the home page you are going to create. So here 3 items available. You can see by clicking this plus icon, you can add a new container, or by clicking this one, you can add a template, and this one you can build a website using artificial intelligence AI. This is a new feature. So once you click this plus icon, you can see you can create a flexbox layout or a grid layout. For the home page, we'll go into use the flexbox. So click this one. So it will show the direction of column. This is the downward direction, and this is the right side direction. In other words, this is the layout structure. You can create 2 equal columns, or 1/3, 2/3 column, or 4 equal columns. Like this is quarter, half, quarter, like this. So there are so many ways to create the columns. For that, by default, you can select this one. So click this one. So now it will create a layout. That's a container. So within the container, you can add any widget. So once you click this plus icon, you can see you can select any widget. There are so many widgets available. So this layout, you can add some other containers or grid as well. or else you can use the basic widget. So in this playlist, we will show you how to use the all the widgets from the basic to advanced level. We will show you. So here heading, image, text editor, those kind of things are available. So once you click this header and drag and drop here, so here you can add any heading. First website. So like that you can add. Every widget have the three parts. First part is the content. So here you can add the content. Second part is the style. So in the style you can see you can add the alignment, typography, text stroke, those kind of things you can do. On the advanced, you can give the margin, padding, those kind of things that you can do. This is the basic features, and some advanced features are available for the Elementor Pro as well. So go to style, you can align this heading in the center, so it will align to center. And also you can give the color. You can select the global colors, this primary global color. So global color is the color of the theme. So, or else you can change the text color like dark blue like this, and those kind of things you can do. I'll show it in the next videos. So this is the heading you can give. Similarly, you can add another widget. This you can give the structure. Two columns are available. So once you click this plus icon, it will go to the widget. So let's go to the widget as video. So here you can drop this video. So you can add any YouTube video links here. You can give the video links. So those kind of things you can do. Once you click next plus icon, you can give other parts like Google Maps. Once you drag and drop, it let the Google Map record. You can here you can give the location of your business. So like that you can use the widgets to create. This is the one method. You can click this arrow. So once you're done, you can see here the plus icon is there. Once you click this plus icon, another section is appearing. Like that you can add more section here. So you can add top of the title, or else you can add in the bottom of the title. Like that you can do. Okay, we have just used this content and widgets. Let's use this templates. Once you click this icon, it will bring you the templates. There are pro and free templates available. So you can use blocks or you can use pages. So in the my templates part, if you save any template, it will appear here. That's your one. So these are provided by Elementor. One is blocks, other one is pages. So let's create a block. So once you click this blocks, you can select a category. So once you click this category, you can select any category. Let's click this hero section. So most of them are pro items, but one is free is here. So you can use this one. So let's click this insert. Wow, now you can see it is automatically inserted to your home page. So similarly, you can keep on adding the blocks of Elementor. Once you add it, you can click publish. This is the publish. Okay, let's go back to our website and see this one. Let's open this. Here you can see our page is not appearing as a home page. So what's wrong? So where to put our home page to appear in the home page? For that, go back, go to the dashboard, go to the appearance and click customize. So in the customize section, you can click this home page settings. So click this one. By default, it will show you a latest post. Latest post only will appear here, but we have to select a static page. So let's select this one. Now you have to select a static page to display as a home page. So we have created a page named as home. So let's click this one. Let's select this one. Now you can see this part is appearing as the home page. So let's publish. I'll go back. Now you can see the home page is appearing nicely, but we don't have any header or footer. So how to get header and for that, again, go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor and click home. So here you can see the site settings, site logo and global colors. So those kind of things are there. Okay, for in the home page, go to this theme builder, click customize. So here you can see so many theme parts appear. That is header, footer, single page, those kind of things are there. You can select any one of this. So for the website, to create header, you can click this one. Pro feature. Similarly, this footer also pro feature. So you have to use the Elementor Pro to create this header and footer part. Okay, let's come back and let's create another page using the Elementor template. So go to pages, go to add new page. Here we can give a title called services and click edit with Elementor. Okay, let's use an Elementor pre-built page for this. So go to this template area, click this one. Let's go for a page. Okay, let's use this wireframe services. So let's click insert. Now you can see the services part have been inserted here. You can see you can add any images you want. So this is the part we have added. So once you click this arrow for this image part, you can click this image and you can choose any image from the media library, or else you can upload any files. So let's upload one. So let's click this one, click open. Let's select. Now you can see the image is added. Like that, you can edit each and every content of the page visually. It's very easy editing with Elementor. So once you're done, you can publish. Again, let's go back and put another page like contact us. Again, go to pages, add new page. Here, give a title as contact us. Click edit with Elementor. Again, click this one, that is add template. Let's go for the pages. Here you can search for the contact page. So most of them are pro, but one free version is available. So let's click insert. You can see this is the contact page, the number, those kind of details are available here. So you can edit each and every content here. So once you edit, you can publish. Let's open the website and see. Here you can see there are no menu appearing. There's no other pages displaying here, only the home page appearing. So how to put a menu here? Again, go back, go to the dashboard, go to appearance, and here click menus. So here you don't have any menu, so let's create a menu. So you can create, so you can give a menu like primary. So it should display in the header and footer. So let's click create menu. Okay, now you can create a primary menu. On the left side, you can select the pages. Most recent will be displayed here, but click this view all, home page, contact us page, and services page. Once you select all three pages, click add to menu. Now these are added to the menu. If we want to change the position of the menus, we can just drag and drop. I can drag this one and drop here like this. Once it's done, you can click save menu. Now let's open the website and see. Wow, now you can see on the right side the menus are appearing. Once you click services, you can go to the services page. Once you click contact us, you can go to the contact us. Like that you can go. But here you don't have any logo. So let's see how to add a logo. You can click this customize. Here you can go to the site identity. Here you can give any identity like mine or something. Tagline, you can give any tagline. Menus, you can see the primary menu, header and footer. Start designing. So here click the site logo. So go to site identity. So here you can see the site as a B marketing consultant. You can delete this one. You can give some other name, or else you can keep it as blank, and you can add a image for the logo. So let's choose an image. Let's upload a file. Okay, let's put another logo and click select. Now we can save the changes. So let's open the website. Now you can see the small logo with this menu items and other contents are there. This is a basic website you can create using the Elementor builder. There are so many other basic websites available with the themes we have installed, like Astra theme or the Elementor kit. Those tutorials are available in the playlist. You can see down in the description as well, so you can watch that videos. So by finishing this basic tutorial, let's see how to use each widgets of Elementor Free and Elementor Pro to develop, design, and customize your whole website. So please stay with us. Please subscribe our channel and look into our full playlist. Thank you.